So why are we here so early, Matthew?
It's wrapping day. Right, so we stripped the Civic last night and now you can see it's pretty bare. We are going to start sanding a lot of it down, cleaning it, and then start wrapping it. We have the material here. How exciting. It's too early.
Good morning.
Day two of the Civic wrap. We're both feeling really broken, but see how we get on.
So what have we got left to do?
We have the roof to do, we have the whole Widearch Kit, we've got front and rear bumper, we've got bump strips, wing mirrors, splitters, and one side skirt.
Let's go then.
Let's do this.
Hey Matthew.
Yes?
How was it going?
Yeah, very good. Just wrapping, getting there slowly.
Matthew, what time of night is it?
I have no idea. Stop filming me.
How long have we been here?
We've been here for about 12 hours, I think.
That sounds like a good day. Hey Matthew,
Yes.
how many days have we spent on this car so far?
This is our third.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Right, so we finally finished the car. We've been here for many, many hours. Yeah.
So it's not been easy, and we came into many more problems than we thought we would.
Yeah.
So what was the first one?
Oh God, we've had so many. Just trying to wrap the car in here was a bit of a pain.
The reason it was an issue to wrap it in here is this place is dusty, it's messy, there's not really enough room for it, even though it's quite big.
Yeah.
So that was a problem.
Yeah, plus we kept having to move things, put it back for the next day, to get all the parcels out and everything else, so that was a bit of an issue. Probably here till, what, midnight for the last week?
Yeah.
11, 12, around there somewhere. We had a bit of a problem with the bumper, where we basically couldn't stretch it around the corner because it was too much of a recess, so we ended up going to see Corey down at Wrap Capital, and him and a couple of guys there, him and Sam gave us a hand, so we got that done. So massive thanks to those guys. Check out Wrap Capital. Yeah, there was that. We ended up going to pick a spoiler up last minute as well. Had a bit of a problem with that. Again, thanks to Tyler Shannon for that, he helped us out. We went down to Plymouth, picked it up, brought it back here, and fitted it on the car. Didn't fit properly because it's a DC2 spoiler. We ended up having to drill the holes out a little bit further, put it on, couldn't get it off, started hitting it with a hammer to get it out, smashed the fiberglass and went through the bottom. So we ended up having to epoxy all that back together again, but we finally got that sorted. What else happened? Oh, too many things.
This.
Oh yeah, the fuel cap, we ended up having to bond magnets to it to get that to fit. That's a story for a different day. But yeah, as a whole, really happy with it. It went well. Let us know below what you think of the car in the comments, and make sure to sub to the channel. That'd be awesome. We're definitely growing, so that'd be cool. We got quite a lot going on. We've got a manifold, which I got down here. Nice Speed Factory one that we're putting on. Probably end up doing that for next Friday. That thing's beautiful because the one we got currently is cracked.
So, thanks for watching. Have a nice.
Have a nice.